Hello everyone, welcome to 27. Today I'm going to be showing you a cheap track car option. It could be used on a road car as well, for a lightweight lithium battery. So, believe it or not, this thing, which we will weigh in a minute, is going to replace that massive solid Bosch battery. The little lithium battery is less powerful than the big lead acid Bosch. It actually puts out 480 ccas, so that's the cranking power, whereas the Bosch puts out 680 ccas. And also this is a 35 ampere hour battery compared to the Bosch, which is a 70 ampere hour battery. That's in terms of how long they can put out the power for. Having said that, I've used one of these batteries before for 2 years without any problem whatsoever. It's only when I let it go completely flat that I couldn't rescue it. So this car actually has a cutout switch, which I have to have anyway because the rear blower's been deleted and it's got a little resistor there and it will make it go flat eventually anyway. But for 2 years, having the car just with a cutout switch and everything else, I didn't have any problems at all. It's only when I left it for 3 weeks without the cutout on by mistake that the old one here actually died. Incredibly powerful little battery really for what it is, and seemed to work perfectly for this car. So let's weigh them and see how much you can save. In terms of cost, so I got this from the US on eBay. I managed to get this posted for £160, and for some reason there wasn't any extra VAT customs on it. I think normally there would be. But altogether I think you're looking at about £200 to save. Let's see how much in weight. Standard battery. $18 kilos basically. Oh. The new lithium battery, 1.4 kilos. So that's essentially a saving of 16.5 kilos, which is pretty amazing, I think. That is incredible. And look at the size difference and everything else. So in order to make this battery fit in the 964, what I had to do is I literally just constructed a little harness from flat sheet metal. I just cut it out and then bent it to shape. I think you can see here how it all fits through. So let me just show you. It goes through like that. And then this strap comes through. There you go. And then I put in some pop rivets, screw rivets, whatever they're called, in the car so that it can just be screwed in. So let me just show you that. So you can see them just there. So this just screws right into place like that. And there you go. Believe it or not, that replaces that massive heavy battery. Just that tiny little thing there. If you want any more info, just ask me in the comments about how the conversion was done and everything else. The wiring needs a bit of tinkering as well. But as far as I'm concerned, it is a massively cheap way to lose 16 kilos. Well, massively. It's a relatively cheap way to lose 16 kilos once you've done all the obvious stuff, really. Thanks for watching. See you soon.